1 kilometer off the coast of Normandy, built on an island, lies something that looks like it just escaped from a fairy tale. And apparently it is referred to as the Miracle of the West. I'm talking about the famous Mont Saint Michel. Until 2014, the island could only be accessed when the tide was out. It calls for dangerous situations, as there is no place in Europe where the tide comes in as fast as it does here. Now there is a bridge, so the island can always be reached by foot or by one of the many shuttle buses. Now I've been on the internet for the past hour or so trying to find a free camp spot for the night, but it appears that the whole area can only be accessed by a code that opens one of the many gates that covers the whole area. So finding a free camp spot for the night, I don't think that's gonna happen. Now I'm not sure if I fully realized how popular this place is, but I'm curious to find out whether it lives up to its reputation as the Miracle of the West. So it's 9:30. We decided to take a walk, a hike. It's a 40-minute hike from Bruce to Mont Saint Michel.
There's also Pendle buses. They're free, which is really good if you don't want to walk or you're not able to walk there.
It was a bit busy already.
Yeah.
So.
And we're young, we're fit.
That's what we like to tell ourselves at least.
We slept on the parking lot next to the site. Yeah.
You're allowed to stay there for 24 hours. It is low season, so you pay like 13 euros for 24 hours, which is great. And you got toilets, bathrooms, and
a lot of camper vans as your neighbors.
So we're gonna take the famous bridge that was built in 2014, and I'm curious whether the tide is in or whether it's out.
Yeah.
I was searching on the internet to find the tidal times, and it was only in French, so
our French isn't that good.
Got no clue, but we're gonna find out.
Now as you can see, I'm cold, it is windy, it's low tide, but it's also November. It's pretty, but it's cold. So I think the first thing that I want when I'm there is a hot cup of coffee. Welcome to Mont Saint Michel. Coffee. I can already smell sweet pastry, probably, and coffee. I need coffee.
It's a waffle with caramel and something else unhealthy.
Salted caramel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really needed that.
Oh man, this is dazzling me. It's dazzling. I'm not even sure if that's a word, but so many streets and little gates, alleys, stairs. It's so
like
easy
Potter,
to get lost, I think.
You have to go sideways. Oh, I fit. No, I think you'll fit.
I mean, this is pretty narrow, but it's kind of fun. Look at this.
This is so cool.
I can't fit anymore.
You're stuck.
I mean, look at this.
There you go. Now what we've seen from Mont Saint Michel, I always say it wrong, is that it's just one big gorgeous maze, really. All these tiny streets, houses.
I will give you one fact today. It's built on a rock. There you go.
It's all very pretty. I think it's easy to get lost, and there's just one big abbey on top. So I think we're going up now towards the abbey.
We've been climbing for like forever, but these views, man. Look at it.
Hydrated bit. Oh, we've been quite busy today. We've climbed 100 steps. We've taken countless of pictures of other people. And the sun came out. So far, a good score. And if you look this way, you see all the cute houses and gardens. It is quite a lot to see here at Mont Saint Michel.
You need the full day if you want to get the full experience.
Yes, and we need a little break because we have the fur babes back at Bruce. So we're gonna maybe take the bus back and walk the pup. Now my baby over there is very good with heights. Honey, come! Come on! He just looked over this edge. It got him all weak in the knees, man.
We just said to each other, let's go back to Bruce. And we both went like one direction. So we went one way, but this is a dead end.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you can get lost here.
Yeah. Found the shortest route. That's that way. That's where we need to be. We have no idea which way we have to go. We'll just take every step down that we can find, right? Got it.
Hello, my chef. Hi. I think they appreciate it when we come back to the van. He always wants to go outside immediately when we open the door. Meow, meow, meow. And we have to come back for Mila anyhow. We will head back to Mont Saint Michel, but it was so crowded. There were so many people walking toward the island now. It's around noon. It's 1 o'clock now, and I think we made the right choice to go early this morning. But yeah, back in the van, and that's one thing of van life that I love so much because we always got lunch with us. They sold like a million different kind of crepes, sandwiches, but nothing beats lunch from Mick. What are you making today?
Like pizza baguette.
Pizza baguette.
Yeah.
I saw them for like 12 euros.
Well, I've made mine with a little bit of extra love.
Aww. Come on, hurry up. I'm gonna go back.
There's another cool way to go to the Abbey. Horse carriage. But I think it's a bit expensive probably. I didn't ask. I don't dare to. But if we hurry up, we can get the next bus.
Come on then.
Round 2, baby!
So round 2, we thought we'd walk around the island a little bit now that it's not an island, it's still low tide. Yes. In like 3 or 4 hours from now, I think we would be swimming. Well, this is a nice view as well. Look at you walking on the seabed.
I know, right? We have done mud walking back in the Netherlands. Woo! And I'm very, very cautious because I know how it can get. This is nothing compared to what we've done in the Netherlands.
Whoa!
Oh, shit! I don't want to repeat that, so I'm very careful and I'm not gonna go too far.
The tide comes in as fast as a galloping horse.
It comes in so quick that they say it's yeah, they call it a galloping horse. Yeah. So I'm very careful and I know it's not gonna be like, oh, whoop, there I am. Now I need to swim back. But
want to go back to the city?
Yeah. I actually do.
Okay, it's 3 o'clock now.
Yeah.
We're back at the Abbey, at the island. And man, it's crowded now.
Yeah, this time we just thought, let's follow Main Street, see where it takes us. Well, at the Abbey. But it's definitely a lot more crowded than it was this morning.
It's less of a miracle at the moment, to be honest.
Feels less like a miracle, just like a tourist place.
We haven't seen anything from the other side of the island.
Right.
I'm not even sure if you can go there. That's what we've been trying for the past 20 minutes or so. But we're still on just one side of the island.
Because we're going at a rapid pace, man.
Yeah,
follow the crowd.
Slowly hurtling. Yeah.
So that's the idea. Get the other side of the island.
So we've been trying to reach the other side of the island, but I don't think that's an option.
No, I think that's just the abbey.
It's just this side where the town is, and which was awesome enough, but we kept walking in circles.
We ended up on the same spots that we've already covered.
Apart from the abbey,
Yeah.
you can go into the abbey, but that costs like 11 euros a person.
We just decided not to do that today. Instead of that, we just watched the view and watched the tide come in. I can't see otherwise.
Standing on the toes, as always.
These are the times I feel like a little kid. That was pretty amazing.
That was pretty. And maybe, I'm not sure if that's why it's called the Miracle of the West. Maybe the combination of the island with the tides and the abbey itself. But that tide coming in, that was
spectacular.
Like, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, that made it really unique. When the tide comes in and you realize you're just cut off from the rest of the world and you're on an island. This is it. Those few streets that we've walked.
This leads to Main Street again. Definitely feels like you're back in medieval times.
Yes, yeah.
Which really impressed me.
Yeah, and because of the tides coming in and being on this island and cut off from the world, that's what makes it so special. And dare I say it, Miracle of the West? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Do you think this was the Miracle of the West?
I think it's about time to head back to the van.
Yes.
Because I'm tired from walking all those steps, man.
I got news for you. We're not bringing you. We'll just see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up if you liked the video.